Crash course on Croatia: art, museums, music, and performing art. Introduction. Croatia, nestled along the Adriatic Sea, is a captivating destination that enthralls visitors with its rich artistic heritage and cultural offerings. This crash course delves into the artistic wonders of Croatia, from its world-class museums and galleries to its vibrant music and performing arts scenes. Let us embark on a journey to explore the artistic essence of this enchanting country, where creativity and history intertwine to create a tapestry of art. Museums and galleries. Croatia boasts an impressive array of museums and galleries that showcase the country's artistic heritage. In Zagreb, the capital city, the Croatian Museum of Naive Art stands as a tribute to self-taught artists, displaying colorful and imaginative paintings that capture the essence of Croatian folk culture. Additionally, the Museum of Broken Relationships, also in Zagreb, presents a unique and emotional journey through artifacts and personal stories of love, heartbreak, and human connections. In Rijeka, the Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art offers a glimpse into the avant-garde and innovative world of Croatian contemporary art. Meanwhile, Split's Gallery of Fine Arts houses an impressive collection of ancient and modern works, celebrating the country's diverse artistic legacy. 2. Music and festivals. Croatia's music scene is a tapestry woven with traditional folk tunes, classical melodies, and contemporary beats. The Summer of Music Festival, held in Zagreb, celebrates the nation's musical heritage with a series of concerts and performances. Here, visitors can revel in the harmonious notes and immerse themselves in Croatia's melodious traditions. In Dubrovnik, the Dubrovnik Summer Festival takes center stage, drawing crowds with its spectacular theatrical performances and musical extravaganzas. The festival transforms the historic city into an open-air stage, where art meets architecture, creating an unforgettable experience for attendees. 3. Performing arts. The performing arts scene in Croatia is equally vibrant and diverse. Traditional dance forms, such as the Lindo dance from Dubrovnik or the Kolo from the inland regions, captivate audiences with their lively rhythms and colorful costumes. These folk dances have been passed down through generations, preserving Croatia's cultural identity. The country also cherishes its theater heritage, with Zagreb serving as the main hub of theatrical excellence. The Croatian National Theatre, a majestic building in the heart of Zagreb, stages operas, ballets, and plays that exemplify Croatia's profound passion for the performing arts. Conclusion. Croatia's art, museums, music, and performing arts form a mesmerizing tapestry that showcases the country's rich cultural heritage. From the enchanting galleries of Zagreb to the open-air theatrical spectacles of Dubrovnik, Croatia's artistic offerings leave an indelible mark on every visitor. As you journey through this artistic wonderland, you will experience the heart and soul of a nation where creativity thrives, and history intertwines with imagination. Plan your next adventure to Croatia, and immerse yourself in the symphony of artistic brilliance that this enchanting country has to offer. Poem. In Croatia's heart, by the Adriatic shore. A world of art and culture, let's explore. Museums stand tall with treasures profound. A legacy of creativity, they astound. In Zagreb's halls, the paintings are alive. Naive art with stories that beautifully thrive. Broken relationships, a tale so tender. Love's remnants displayed with emotions to render. Rijeka's modernity, a striking sight. Contemporary art, bold and bright. Split's gallery, ancient and new. A tapestry of creativity it will imbue. Music fills the air, melodies sweet. Croatia's soul, its heartbeat. Summer festivals with songs so grand, uniting us all, hand in hand. Dubrovnik's stage, a theatrical embrace. The city's walls, a performance space. Dancers whirl in vibrant attire, preserving traditions, their hearts on fire. A symphony of talent, a theater's grand call. Zagreb's National Theatre, captivating all. Ballet and opera, stories unfold. Enchanting hearts, a spectacle to behold. So come to Croatia, an artistic treasure, where passion and culture blend with pleasure. Embrace the beauty, let your soul soar. In this land of art, you'll want for more. Song. Verse 1. in Croatia's land, where the waves meet the shore. A world of art and culture, let's explore. Museums and galleries, stories they tell. A treasure trove of history, an enchanting spell. Chorus. Croatia, Croatia, a canvas of delight, where art and music dance in the night. From Zagreb to Dubrovnik's ancient wall, creativity's symphony enchants us all. Verse 2. Folk dances and melodies, they fill the air. Traditions handed down with love and care. The summer of music, a festival of glee. In Croatia's heart, where music sets us free. Chorus. Croatia, Croatia, a canvas of delight, where art and music dance in the night. From Zagreb to Dubrovnik's ancient wall, creativity's symphony enchants us all. Bridge. Theatrical wonders, on stages they thrive. From Rijeka to Split, the arts come alive. Emotions and stories, they intertwine. In Croatia's embrace, all hearts align. Chorus. Croatia, Croatia, a canvas of delight, where art and music dance in the night. From Zagreb to Dubrovnik's ancient wall, creativity's symphony enchants us all. Outro. So join us now, come and see Croatia's artistic symphony. Plan your journey, let's depart to this land of creativity and heart. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $AID =7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.